In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Slack account and set up a new workspace. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open your web browser and go to slack.com, which is the official Slack sign-up page where you can create your account in Workspace. Once the page loads, you will see a field to enter your email address. Type in your email and click Continue to proceed. You also have the option to sign in using a Google account or an Apple account. And for this tutorial, a Google account is used. Once your email is verified, you will move on to Workspace creation. Click on Create a Workspace to start the setup process. You will then be asked to enter your workspace name, which can be your company name, team name, or project name. After that, continue and enter your full name, then set a password for your account to complete your profile setup. Next, you will have the option to invite teammates by entering their email addresses. But if you are not ready, you can skip this step and continue. Once everything is done, Slack will finalize your workspace setup, and you can click the final button to enter your new workspace where your account and workspace are now ready to use. And that is how you create an account in Slack and set up a new workspace.